Hello friends, this is Vidisha Banerjee. In this video I will discuss delta, especially definition, growing condition, formation, structure and classification. Delta. Delta is one of the most important depositional work of river. We see the feature at the mouth of river in a lake or sea. It is almost triangular shape and according to Greek alphabet it is called delta. The great historians Herodotus first used this word delta for the purpose the triangular depositional feature at the mouth of Nile river. Next, what is delta? According to definition, delta is the depositional triangular shape landform lower course of river. Okay. In the river mouth, due to slowing velocity of river flow, sediment deposit on the river bed and break its single channel and build a new triangular shape landform is called delta. Just like this. At the lower part or lower course of river, sediment deposit in this area because low velocity of channel flow, low velocity and sediment deposit here. As a result, river channel break in different part and the middle part of land form delta. Condition of the delta formation. There are 4 favorable conditions needs to growing delta. First, velocity of stream. Second, nature of sea waves. Third, supply of sediment. Fourth, slope of coast. If stream velocity is decreases, then sediment deposit. Stream velocity decreases and sediment deposit. Next, supply of sediment. If sediment volume is low, then it's not support formation of delta. And next, slope of coast. It is most important part because if sea and river conjunction area is gentle slope, then depositional is possible. If coast is steep slope, then in this area is not possible or not favorable for sediment deposition. Okay. So most important part of river delta formation, four conditions are velocity of stream flow, nature of sea waves, supply of sediment and slope of sea coast. Nature of sea waves. If sea waves or ocean current is more active in the part of river mouth, then they eroded the sediment portion. So it is not possible formation of delta. Next, delta formation. The formation of delta starts with the deposition of sediments if favorable conditions are available. The sediment take place regularly at the mouth of river. In this part, first eroded particle, upper course of river. We know there is the most important work of river is erosion. So eroded particle, the source of river, upper course of river, then in lower part or lower course river we get them as a sediment, and the sediment take place regularly at the mouth of river bed and grow toward the sea. Formation of delta. Okay. In this part, deposit sediment and the new land, new formed land grow toward the sea. Classification of delta. The basis of two types. Delta first time classified are two parts. First on the basis of shape and on the basis of growth. Okay. On the basis of growth, there are two types of delta, growing delta and block delta. Growing delta means still growing, and block delta means complete the delta formation. And on the basis of shape, deltas are four types: acute delta, Barfoot delta, Astorian delta and truncated delta. Okay. First, acute delta. Acute delta like are arc of circle. Just arc of circle. You see the following feature. In this part, and it is formed when river water are dense from sea water. River water and sea water. Sea water density less than river water density. Okay. When river water is dense from sea water, then formed arcuate delta, and it is formed of coarser materials including gravel, sand, silt, etc. The important example of arcuate deltas are Nile, Ganga and Rhine river. This is example of, this picture is Nile river, Nile delta, and this is Ganga delta. And next, Barfoot delta. It is formed when river water lighter from sea. River water lighter from sea water. Then sea water density is greater than river water. And this type of deltas are like shape of Barfoot, just like bird foot shape. And it is formed by fine materials. In previous, we see earthquake deltas from gravel, sand, silt, etc. And in this type or Buttfoot delta formed by fine materials, and it is also called finger delta. It is also called finger delta. Example, Mississippi delta is the most important example of Buttfoot delta. Estuarian delta. Estuarian delta. Estuarian, Estuarian delta. It is suited estuaries of river. Some rivers are estuarian mouth. Here river water submerged under marine water, and sea wave and oceanic currents remove the sediment brought by the river. Here long and narrow deltas are formed. Example, Narmada, Tapti and Mackenzie River delta. And last, truncated delta. It is a erosional form of delta. When sea wave and ocean currents destroy delta, thus eroded and dissected deltas are called truncated delta. Okay. At last, structure of delta. We know first sediment deposit at the mouth of river and form delta. Here delta consists three beds. First, topset bed. First, topset. Second, foreset. And third, bottom. Three parts of deltas. Topset, it is the most upper part of delta and it is higher than sea level, and also this part is called delta plain, and we see here gentle slope like this type. Next, foreset beds. It is strictly dipping beds inclined forwards the sea, and it is stay always under the sea water. And last, bottom set beds means lowest bed parts of delta. If we vertical cross section of delta profile, then we see bottom part we find gravel type materials, and middle part we see finer materials, and top seat part or top bits of deltas we see fine materials. Okay, thank you.